Hey mango fans, welcome back to the National Mango Board vlog. Today we're taking on another challenge. We're going to turn a couple of these mangoes into one of these beautiful mango roses. We have a great how-to guide that shows you how to do it, but we've never made a video to show you actually how to do it. So I've taken it upon myself, put myself up for the challenge to show you how to do it. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a food stylist. I've also never done this before, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Okay, so the first step is to slice the mango into thirds. That seems easy enough. Okay, got it in thirds. Okay, so the next step is to scoop out the fruit using a spoon. So I've got my biggest spoon here to help. You have to scoop out all this fruit in here. So we're gonna do our best. We can set the seed aside. We're gonna scoop it out. Okay, so now the next step is to cut the mango into super thin, even pieces. So I've got a little knife here. Let's scoop this one a little out of the way. And I know in the picture, the mango rose has really thin pieces, like really thin. So we're gonna do our best. All right, here we go. So the fourth step is, I think, gonna be the hard part. You're supposed to form a snake-like shape and curl it tightly into a rose. So we're gonna do our best, as we always do, to form this into a rose. So I think if we start kind of like this. You know what? I think he's done. All right, so we got a little extra mango. We can have a snack later. All right, it's beautiful. Thanks for watching and check back soon for the next Mango Board vlog.